Engineering is redefining life, and crafting engineers is a social commitment. It requires a world of technostructure where masterminds guide the graduates towards perfection, and incredible imaginations transform into inventions. Wagdevi Engineering Colleges, dream companies, dream placements, dream packages. Bollikunta, Varangal. Industry-centric curriculum, flexible choice-based credit system, exceptional mentoring by the expert teachers, on-campus incubation center, inculcating innovative approach, strong industrial alliances, and sustaining record of placements. Wagdevi Engineering Colleges, dream companies, dream placements, dream packages. Bollikunta, Varangal.
Good evening to all the participants. Good evening, Sharma sir. We'll start our feedback and valedictory session now. I, coordinator of this event, would like to give a small report on this FDP, that is recent advances and real-time applications in artificial intelligence. We had for this program 150 plus participants registered from different institutions throughout the country. This FDP was started on 25th October with a keynote and resource person, keynote speaker, Professor SSVN Sharma sir. And we had a second speaker, Arunjit Chaudhary, CEO of Enterprise Building and Training Solution. And next, a speaker, Dr. K. Allaya, professor from NIT Warangal. Second day, we had resource persons from Gopalaj Rangaraja Institution. And Rajshekhar sir, J. Shrikant sir, VEC, Wagdevi Engineering College, and Dr. B. Krishna sir. On the third day, we had a speaker, Dr. Tanvi Chauhan, and stress management, followed by Dr. Anwar, Dr. D. Srinivas Rao, Veerna Vignan Jyoti. Fourth day, we had a hands-on session by a Dr. Gaurav Kumar sir. Fifth day, we have ended our FDP program with Dr. Ramalinga Swami Cherupu and Dr. Tanvi. So these were the resource persons for our FDP program. I'm very happy that the participants have well cooperation with me for the conduction of this FDP. Now I request our Sharma sir, a pride of our institution, to address the participants and take the feedback. Sir, please. Sir, your voice is. Sir, please you unmute yourself, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, it is audible now.
Right now?
Yes, sir, it is audible. It is audible, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon to all my dear friends. I'm very happy that we have conducted, particularly Vagdevi College of Engineering has conducted this FDP on artificial intelligence, the emerging technologies. Practically speaking, I get now and then a doubt. Have we
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible.
now? Is it audible, Tanvir? Tanvir, is it audible now? Tanvir?
Now it's audible, sir.
Tanvir, okay.
Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
When somebody says that it is new emerging technology, I get a doubt. I have studied these subjects in 1984 and 85. And in 90s, I am from in 1990, I am teaching these subjects to different batches. And also one of two or three of my PhD students, they worked upon these subjects. Then how is that these become new emerging technologies? As a matter of fact, these are not new emerging technologies, but these technologies have come with changed their colors. And it is just like makeup. We have done some makeup and we have brought these subjects with new softwares and new what is called developments. The approaches to each and every subject differs every year. Subject remains the same, but the approach, the way we deal with the problem, it differs from time to time. Now the question is, this approach has now changed a lot, but the core subject remains to be the same. Machine learning, deep learning, all these things, they are there, but these nomenclatures were not present at that time. Because we were teaching learning, we were teaching planning, we were teaching every other aspects. And when we were applying mathematics to computer science, we were finding a lot of applications of this deep learning and machine learning on these topics. I'm very happy, very happy that we could able to reach to a situation wherein the new or the faculty who are recently recruited or the faculty who are having less experience, they are exposed to such environment. And definitely it will go a long way in helping the students in general and in particular to every college. The teachers who have been trained in this FDP, I think you have drawn a lot of conclusions. my experience, gentlemen, I am very, very optimistic, and I'm just expressing my feelings. My experience in teaching the subjects is whatever you convey, if you can, your conveyed subject, if it can attract 20 to 25% of students in a classroom, you are lucky. And if you can try to see that all the class students get attracted and get initiated with your subject, you are very lucky. We must join in very lucky group. Now the question is, the present generation, they have become little bit impatient, the present student community. Very impatient community. They don't want long lectures and they don't want long explanations, but they want the subject in a manner which is supplemented by examples. Every example, if you give for every instance one example, that means you must be alert to collect the examples and then go to a classroom. I think in my first lecture I have given some examples, just broader examples. But there are many examples which really help you to attract the students. And my other aspect is the researchers, the faculty who are attending here may be interested in working in this direction of machine learning and artificial intelligence. I hope some of the lectures I have seen, they really help you out, particularly if you are thorough with statistics, if you are thorough with numerical analysis, if you are thorough with analysis, real analysis and differential equations, I think you can do wonders. Wonders. Even your work can be patented. I hope to these 5 days work, 5 days FDP have helped everyone, and I think every one of you got enthusiasm and you will work jealously in future also. This college, particularly myself, Tanveer and Janaki madam, we will feel that we are very lucky. We will feel that we are blessed if you can apply this 5 days experience to your classroom and to your research. And I have assured earlier also, now also I am assuring, you can take our emails, our phone numbers, you can talk to us personally. I am ready because I am going to lead retired life. In retired life, I need to have some navigation. And if any researcher taps me and asks me any question, I am ready to answer. And it will be, I feel that it is my privilege if you are asking. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless all of you. But now, as the dean of this college, I would like to invite the questions. I don't want questions. It's all right. Your response, audio response. Let us, I think in first lecture also, most of you have responded to my lecture. Now also, if it is possible, kindly ask questions. I am ready to answer them. And even Tanveer is ready. I think Tanveer, Janaki madam is also ready. I think we will answer your questions. Please, if any one of you have got any response, if you want to express anything, we will be very happy and we feel that we are gratified by your responses. Please, Tanveer madam, ask the members to ask questions or responses.
Yes, sir. I request participants, if you had any queries, if you had any issues in the FDP, and if you have felt any topic which has been not covered and you have felt that it should be there, or any drawbacks you have found in this FDP, please let us know. You can unmute yourself and then give us a feedback, please.
Say you can give us suggestions also, because
yes.
uh,
sir.
in my view is there is nobody can be even even a junior teacher to senior teacher. Everybody's responses will be taken into care, and there is no senior, no junior in teaching. Everybody is same, equal, because in my career I have learned from my students. Some of my students have given me new tips. So therefore, we will be very happy with your responses. Please, we are ready. Please talk somebody.
Yes, participants are requested to unmute yourself and then let us have a feedback session now. Please unmute yourself one after the other so that we can take your suggestions and improve the quality of the next FTBs further.
The number of participants are very less.
Yes, sir. They have their classwork,
Yeah.
in-person classwork,
That is
and then
another
many of them.
disadvantage.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. That is what I had very less responses over email.
However, Tanvir, with so much of patience for 5 days, you are locked in that 231 and you are doing good job. It's wonderful. We are proud of you,
That's
Tanvir. We are proud of
yes.
you.
Thank you very much, sir. It's
Yeah.
all your
Please,
blessings
any
and
one of you,
support.
one response that is more than enough.
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening, madam. This is Dr. Krishna from
Can
CSE.
you identify yourself and talk?
Yes, sir. This is Dr. Krishna from CSE, Vagdevi College of Engineering. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir. So, madam, coordinator of this FDP brought a fabulous course that is recent trends in artificial intelligence. Various speakers from various institutions delivered excellent lectures. Professor SSVN Sharma sir, Dr. J. Srikant sir, and Tanvir madam also taken one session, and Anwar sir, especially Gaurav Kumar sir, the excellent lecture we had actually. Practical session is also there. We enjoyed a lot, sir. We got benefited, and definitely will deliver these lectures to the students. So with this, I congratulating Dr. Tanvi Jahan Madam, coordinator of this FDP and head of the department, and CSE faculty members for successful completion of this FDP. And thanks for giving this opportunity, especially Sharma sir given excellent opening for this FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your inspiring
Thank you.
speech.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, Krishna, sir. Uh, any other faculty, please? Any other participant? We would like to hear your voice and take the feedback, please.
Yeah, good evening, Tanvir madam.
Good evening,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, this is Kalyanap
Yes, sir.
Srinivas.
Your voice is audible. Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you. This is Kalyanap Srinivas from Kids Warangal. Good evening, SSVN Sharma sir garu and Janki
No,
madam.
good evening. Good evening.
Sir, how are you?
Fine.
Thank you, sir. The session by you people were very good, especially the session by Sharma sir, Krishna sir, Tanvir madam, and Srikant sir. It was very encouraging, and what I should say that is very innovative things are discussed in the sessions. And later, the last two sessions by Srinivas Rao and Raj Shekhar, they have also provided us a good knowledge on hands-on experience, especially artificial intelligence techniques and machine learning, supervised and unsupervised techniques. It was very wonderful, madam. We would like to join any other such type of sessions in the future from your college. Thank you, madam. Thank you for encouraging us in this way. Thank you, sir. Sedma, sir. It's a great
No,
honor
thank you.
to be in your session, sir.
Thank you.
Very, especially the encouragement from you to the faculty who are in your department, in your college is excellent, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us a feedback. Any other participants who would like to give
Yes,
the
madam.
feedback,
This
please?
is Raj. May I speak,
Yes, sir.
madam?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Rajkumar.
Your voice is yes.
Good evening, all. This is Rajkumar from CSC department. Firstly, I want to congratulate the FDP organizers for bringing this fabulous FDP, and they have chosen all the knowledgeable resource persons, especially Sharma sir, SSVN Sharma sir, whom we deem him as a Bhishma Pitamaha in computer science. And see, he has a vast knowledge on vast experience of more than 40 years in computer science, and is our guru also. And these people, they have delivered excellent insights on their topics, given topics, and we expect more such FDPs from organizers. And I once again congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Tanvir Jahan ma'am, and I wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajkumar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the feedback, sir. Still any participant? We would like to hear. We have so many people over here. Please, anyone can unmute and then speak and give the feedback, please.
Yeah, please. Who is Jay Bharat? Who is Jay Bharat? Sir, who is Jay Bharat? I am seeing the name here.
Yes, sir, Jay Bharati.
From which college, madam?
Sir,
Sir, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai.
Chennai. Wonderful, madam. Please, I know some of your professors also, madam. How do you feel?
Sir, actually, I'm a research scholar.
Do you feel that we have added something to your knowledge?
Yes, sir, sure. Actually, I'm a research scholar. I have joined in this semester only. August month only, I have joined in this institute.
Yeah.
Just I want to know about what are the basic concepts of some machine learning and then deep learning. I have decided to do the work in the deep learning concept. Deep learning, under that that image processing. For that
Yeah,
purpose,
okay.
I have attended this. Really, I have appreciate that Danvir Jahan ma'am, and because it's a wonderful coordinator, they are doing everything. Then that image processing concept that really I have getting some knowledge about the software also. That TensorFlow, some professors are taking took that concept. I have stored everything in that screenshots also for my reference. What are the softwares are available for that, how to do this and all deep learning concept, how we can implement this and all into that, to with what are the tools we have needed, like that concept and all. I have got some information from this FDPs.
Jayabharati madam, sorry for interruption.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, in image processing,
Yes, sir.
there are some concepts, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning concepts,
Yes, sir. Yes.
using complex analysis, mathematical complex analysis. There are several papers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. A complex inversion formula and other Fourier transforms.
Yes, sir.
See, most of the time, most of the people, they just give a lecture stating that it is for practicals only. But
Yes,
as
sir.
a researcher, we can use mathematical knowledge to
Yes, sir.
implement them, and we can give a model.
Yeah, yeah.
In deep learning and machine learning, we need to have models to be developed, theoretical models. When we develop theoretical models, it is the botheration of the application scientists to prove it. Once it is proved in mathematics, there can be no mistake in that one. See,
I'm
everybody,
also have
yeah,
to
yeah,
decide. I am going to make a model for that. Any idea how to get from this workshop, like that only I have decided.
good. In image
Because
processing
I'm a
and machine
beginner
learning,
only. Uh,
in machine learning and image processing, you can apply
yes, sir.
rough sets. You can
Yes.
apply rough sets. You can apply complex inversion formulas. You can apply partial differential equations. We can do wonders.
Yes. Thank you.
madam,
Proceed.
Thank you very
thank you
much,
so
sir.
much, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam, for your
Thank you,
keen
ma'am.
interest in this FDP.
Right.
Yes.
Next,
Any other
Sudhakar sir,
participants?
can you answer? Can you talk, Sudhakar? Who is this Sudhakar? Who is his name is shown on the screen?
Right, sir.
Sudhakar sir. Who is Sudhakar, please? Sir, maybe you would have muted and
Yes.
yeah. Any other participant? Tanvir, I think
Yes, sir.
people are
Yes, sir. That's
people are
what,
tired.
yeah.
People are
Yes.
tired.
Might be, sir. They
People
might
may
be
be.
tired with this 5 days of complete session.
Yeah. Not 5 days of FDP. 5 days FDP mixed with the classroom teaching.
Right, sir. Yeah,
Actually,
very hectic and pressure.
colleges must have given them free time for learning 5 days, but unfortunately,
Right,
this is
sir.
not there. If
Right,
it had been only session, many
right.
teachers would get benefited. Right? Good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Still, any participant is interested in giving us a feedback, we'll hold for 1 minute. Otherwise, we'll have a vote of thanks session. Anyone, please, can I have any feedback now? Because,
Okay. I think
yes,
that's enough.
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I would like to conclude our 5 day program with a vote of thanks. It was a great initiative by an Atal Academy to give me an opportunity to conduct this 5 day online FDP program, that is recent advances and real-time applications in artificial intelligence. I'm very thankful to get this opportunity and conduct with 150 plus registered participants throughout the country. All the faculty members are from the different institutions. I thank my management, principal, dean, especially my Guru Sharma sir for his complete support, head of the department. I thank all the staff who have supported me throughout the 5 day. I thank all the staff, technical staff and non-technical staff. Especially, I thank my organizing team, Dr. Aisha Banu, Dr. Krishna sir, Dr. Sukesh, Dr. Salim, A. Shweta, and Rajita, and my special thanks with whom I would have not conducted this event. A technical support team, K. Shekhar, Ramakrishna sir, CH Anil, and the students who have helped me for this session to be conducted, Mr. Kamal and Sai Charan.
Thank network team also, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is what. Yeah.
Gopal Reddy and others.
Yes, network team over here, that is Abhupal sir. I thank each and everyone for their complete and wholehearted support for conducting this FDP program. Thank you all. I would like now take a leave from you with this vote of thanks. Now I would like to tell that your Atal FDP, I mean Atal portal, you have your participant portal. Please try to fill the feedback form in the Atal portal, which you can see at the left side of your Atal portal, where if you have given the feedback only, you would like to get your certificates. Please, participants, don't miss or don't forget to fill the feedback forms, which is there in your participant portal. And the next thing I would like to say is try to attempt the test which has been, the link will be shared in the group, that is at 7 p.m. and the link will be closed at 7:15 p.m. It is a 15 minutes duration test. Please try to give a attempt over there. It's not been a marking scheme. You can ignore, I mean, it's not, you will not be allotted with the marks. It's only the attempt you have to make it. Please try to do these two things so that you will get the benefit of your certification with your FDP program. Thank you one and all. Let's take a leave. We'll meet with the further this type of FDP programs in further. Thank you. Dear participants, let us leave before, after our national anthem. Let us have this anthem and then dispatch ourselves from this FDP program. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे
Yes, Jai Hind. Thank you.